Welcome to VinoTech. Today we are going to see that basic fundamental of Linux and basic commands. So before that we have to understand what is Linux and what is advantage and disadvantage. So these are the things we have to understand before we get into the terminal. Okay. So for that I created a small documents. What is the Linux and the Linux distributions and kernel system library shell hardware layer and system utility, advantage and disadvantage. So if I want to explain everything to you, it will take some time. So I just put the pause of this video within 5 to 10 seconds so that you can able to see all the things. And these are the most important things: kernel, system library, shell, hardware layer and the system utility. So keep reading and write it down all the things. Then advantage and disadvantage. So just have a small glance. What is the main usage? Okay, I hope that is the fine enough to understand all the things. Let's come back to our terminal. Okay, here we are going to use very basic level command ls. What is ls? Ls means list of directory and file. If you put ls command, you can able to see the files and directory. But if you are in the very beginning of the Linux, you might not have any idea about what is the files and what is the directory, right? For that, we have to first understand what is the file and directory. So ls-lto. I will explain what is the meaning of ls-ltr later. So before that, we have to understand what is the files and directory. Okay. So files. If you want to see the files, so see that these are all the files. So how I am see that? So simply we can see without d. Okay. If it is the d, then this is the directory. Okay, right now I'm using the Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is the some features are available by seeing the directory. Blue color are appeared. Okay, if it is the color blue, then I will understand the another way of also it is the directory like that. If you are using the CentOS, it is not possible to see color. So we have to, it is the best practice is to see the directory and file. This is one directory. So initially, right, it's denoted D. It is the directory. Without D, this is the file. So these are the best way to practice to understand between the directory and file. Okay. So come back to ls command. So list of directory and list of files. I hope that you understand which is the files and which is the directory right now in this command. Okay. And also we have another commands like to see the directory and files. So by using ls-caps f, if we put the ls-caps f, these are the things will come. So this command is showing each and every directory after slash, right? So after slash means which is the directory. Without after slash, it's all the files. And one more information, by using this command, we can even use, we can even identify the file, which file has to be executable permission and which file has not been executable permission. Okay, by using this command, we can even identify this file. So now you can able to see the file after the file, the star is denoted, right? So which means this file is exactly has to be executable permission. So let me see this file. This file has not been executable permission because the after files the star is not denoted, right? So suppose if you want to see which file has to be executable permission, suddenly we have to use this command. Okay, ls-caps f. I hope that you are understand. Okay, let's we go to the next command. Then now pwd, present working directory. Present working directory. Present working directory means exactly where we are in right now. Okay, if you want to see where we are in the right now, just put the command present working directory pwd. Okay, why I'm saying right now is present working directory, you have to understand the next command. If you understand this command, then only you have to understand next command. Okay, the next command is, if suppose if you have some scenario like you want to see only files, or otherwise you want to see only directory. In that scenario we can use this command. If you want to see only files, ls-f. If you put this command ls-f, all the files will come, including the hidden files also. Then if you want to see only directory, ls-d space star slash, then all the directory will come. I think you might have some doubt about it, why we are using the star and slash, right? So let me explain. So that's the main reason. Previously I am explained to you pwd command. Right now again I am checking where I am in right now. Pwd slash home slash vino, right? So inside the slash vino all the directory and files are available. So the star means inside the vino all the directory will come. If suppose if I am the home directory, what and all the directory inside the home, that only will come. Okay, but right now I am in the Vino directory, so inside the Vino directory all the files, these files and this directory are available. So that's the main reason I am putting the star. I hope that you are understand why I am using the star. Star means to bring the all the directory, to bring the all the file. It depends on our command. Okay, from the present working directory. I hope exactly you are fine to understand in this command ls-d space star slash. Okay, so these are the things we have to understand. I just declared the terminal. Okay, the next command is ls-a. ls-a means to bring the all the files and directory, including the hidden file also, hidden directory. And ls-al means to show the all the permissions and which files and which directory has to which permission and what permission, everything we can able to see by using this command. Okay, I will explain later file permission and how do we use the file permission and how do we use the executable permission. I will explain later. Now we are go to the next command. The next command is ls-r. ls-r means nothing but it's like a similar as ls, but the simple changes, it's converted into reversible. Okay, ls, if you put ls, just note it down the first file, okay, the last file. If you put ls-r reversible, it will convert it into reversible like that. All the files is coming in order to reversible manner. Okay, so these are the things ls-r, ls-r. Okay, the next command is, before that I clean the terminal, ls-ltr. Did you remember this command? In earlier I told you I will explain later ls-ltr command like this, right? So if you put this command, all the files and directory will come with all the information like file permission information and username and group name and size, file size and directory of the size and creation date, everything will come by using this command. So if you are in the working field, so ls-ltr is the most important command to identify all the information. Okay, so just I'm creating the file so that you can easily understand out of it. Okay, to create the file we have to use touch command, old.txt. okay, already new.txt is file created, so I'm created one file ls-ltr. If you put this command, which I'm created old.txt file will come as a last list with a new modified file like that, isn't it? So the file is coming, right? So if you put ls, then it is not come. It will save us a unalignment process like that. But if you put ls-ltr command means what and all we created files or directory, it will come as a modify file date with a last list. We can able to easily find out the files or directory. I hope that you will understand what is the purpose of lf-ltr command. Okay, let's we go to the next command. So let's I clear my terminal. Okay, now I'm going to explain to you how to make the directory and files also. Okay, to make a directory we have to use mk directory command. Okay, demo project. Okay, so now let's we use ls-ltr command, which we already have done, right? So demo underscore project directory is coming as a last list with the modify file date. Okay, so if you get into the directory, what we have to do is cd means change directory. Okay, if you want to go inside the demo project directory, we have to use cd demo project. Let me explain to you how I am getting demo project. Okay, so right now I just put the two letter D E, then I press the tab button, then automatically it will come. Okay, then we are getting inside the demo project. So right now just ls, nothing is inside it, right? ls-ltr means nothing, total 0. Okay, if you want to create the file, tell me what we have to do. Yes, touch demo.txt ls-ltr. So demo.txt file has created, right? Okay, now if you want to come back from the demo project directory, we have to use cd space double dot. So we are just come from the demo project, right? So you just clarify where you are right now, pwd. Okay, so /home /vino right now I have. So what I'm told you, if you want to get inside the directory, cd demo, enter. Now we are checking present working directory. So now we can see /home /vino and /demo project. We are inside the demo project directory. Okay, okay, so cd double slash ls-ltr. Okay, this is the method to create the directory and file and come back from the directory, all the things. Now we are going to see the how we are going to delete the directory and the file. So for that, rm-f and select the files, copy and paste. So copy means Control Shift C. Okay, in that window we are simply copy by using Control C, but in the terminal in the Linux we have to use Control Shift C and Control Shift V. Okay, don't forget these things. And if you are put enter and check this ls-ltr, the old .txt file has to gone. So if you want to delete the file, rm-f. Okay, so let I try to delete again one file, rm-f, select the file, copy, paste and ls-ltr. So all file is gone, right? Okay, now we have how to delete the directory. Okay, before delete the any directory, we have to confirm whether the directory has the file inside or not. Okay, we create the empty directory first. Okay, to create the directory, mk directory new ls-ltr. Okay, so if you want to delete new directory, rm-d, this is the empty directory which we created just now. Copy paste. We can easily delete the empty directory by using the rm-d command. ls-ltr, check it, new directory has gone. Okay, but if you want to delete the directory which has inside the file, we cannot use in this command rm-d. Just try to do that. Okay, then only you will get understand. what exception will throw? Cannot remove demo project directory not empty, right? So inside the demo project directory the files are available, so that's the main reason we would not delete the demo project directory. Okay, for that what we have to do is either we have to delete the file inside the demo project, or otherwise we have to delete the demo project with forcefully means rm-rf. If we put this command and select the directory, if we put enter, definitely it will delete, because we have using forcefully delete. Whatever has inside the directory it will delete. So before using this command we have to confirm with our a senior or any other colleagues, okay? Because once if you have put this command we will never get back again, okay? So be careful to use this rm-rf command if you are working field. Okay, so how we are see inside the directory, how we are see the file inside the directory means ll copy the directory and paste. Without even get inside the demo.project directory, we can even see the file, what files the demo project has by using ll command. Okay, so ll command means to list the files, to list the directory inside the directory. Okay, in my first project directory means if we select this one, a lot of files and directory also there. Okay, so ll command is to view the list, files list and directory list without get inside the directory. Okay, I hope that you will understand. Okay, let's we try to delete the demo.project directory. To delete demo.project directory, rm-rf forcefully. So once if you have put the enter, ls if enter, the demo.project directory has gone. These are the methods to delete the directory. Okay, I hope that you are understand all the things. I think this is the fine enough to understand the very basic commands. Now I am going to finish this video, and this video is only for very basic level. And please don't merely watch this video, make it practice again and again until you get better understand. And moving forward I will bring the lot of Linux commands and also DevOps related things. So don't forget to watch our video. Then if you have any queries, just put the command box, I will make it happen. If you like this video, please like and share your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to get upcoming video. We will see in the next video soon. Thank you.